Pat, I think our smoke alarm is broken.
Why?
It hasn't made a single sound all day.
That's because nothing is on fire, Chris.
But shouldn't it beep every now and then just to let us know it's still working?
No, that's not how it works.
So you're telling me this thing is just waiting for a fire? That seems kind of lazy.
It's a smoke alarm, Chris, not a fire psychic.
But how do I know it's still paying attention? What if it fell asleep?
It doesn't sleep. It just sits there, quietly doing its job.
Sounds suspicious. I think we should test it.
No, we should not.
I'll just light a little match.
Chris, no.
Fine. But if we ever do have a fire, and this thing doesn't warn us, I told you so.
If we have a fire, we'll have bigger problems than you being right.
True, but I'll still say it.